All right. Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully the stream is working. Let's see if it is indeed working. My internet has been a little slow this morning, so let's see. All right, stream's working on X. Looking good, looking good. Let me get this sent out. Swung some spy puts. Looking good. Looking good so far. All right, and if you're on X watching the live stream, if you could like and repost this stream, I would greatly appreciate it. It is recorded as always. I'm gonna send an alert out in Premium Discord about the spy puts that I swung. They got time, but I mean, if they're up nice and green, nothing wrong with locking in some gains on this downside move. Live on X. We got US market open here in less than about 5 minutes. All right. Sent that link out to Discord. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, and happy Friday. Freaking finally. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Good morning. Look at that. YouTube channel. Got people over on the YouTube channel today. Let's go. I was going to say, usually the live stream gets like, around 3,000 people by the end of this thing, and only a handful are on YouTube. The rest are over on X. So I like to see that people over there on the YouTube channel this morning. So appreciate you guys. Make sure you do go to my profile on X or go to YouTube. Either one, just type in, Casey Trade 777. It'll pop it up. And make sure you do like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to be using that a lot more here very soon. Let's go look at Tesla because it's Friday. Friday. It's Friday. Spies were 625, 626. That was a good move. Good move downside. Would still like to see more continuation downside, honestly. I would love to see SPY go back down to 620. Would be beautiful. Would be beautiful. Anybody swing anything overnight? Let me know in the chat. Let me know if you swung anything. Trigger Man, good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, brother, to you as well. Let's make that money. Let's go. I'm in a few swing positions on puts on SPY, so I'll probably be green at the open, which will be fun. If I can lock in some gains, a couple $100, we'll see. But Fridays, as we all know, Fridays are more laid back. The gains are 1,558 put. Nice. Someone said 10 contracts, 611, 819. Nice. Nice. Yeah, it might be a little bit some gains here at the open on some of these SPY puts swings that I'm in. So we shall see. Got a minute, but Fridays are usually just chill, laid back, using profits Monday through Thursday to take a few little intraday moves, zero DTEs. If I like some setups on Tesla in the video, whatever it is, and just use a little bit of the profit. So if you're up, say 2, 3, 4,000, whatever it is, say you're up $4,000 right now for the week, right? How much of that you're willing to lose? So if it's $500 and you're okay with $3,500 to close the week, then you can risk $500 today, of downside or of losses, and use it to take some intraday trades here. So let's open up the brokerage account real quick. We got US market open coming up in about 15 seconds. SPY is getting a nice little green candle. Where's Q's at? Q's getting a nice little green. Oh, look, Q's hit my 557.50, almost like to the freaking penny. Would you look at that? All right. My SPY put swings are up 30%. Lock in a little bit of gains. Starting the day off up $700, make ya holla. All right. SPY 600 P's plus 30%. And SPY 580 P's plus 35%. These are for September. I am in 600 and 580 puts for SPY for September 19. They are up very, very nicely here. Boom! Someone said, Casey, you sound tired. Did the kids chill? I am a little tired, but it's a good Friday. SPY puts in the premium Discord. Let's go, guys. Bang, bang. Great way to start the day. All right. All right. Took my screenshots, sent out the alerts. Ooh, UAL down 5%. All right, approaching 40% here on these SPY puts. Whoa, SPY. Whoa, daddy. Whoa, daddy. Hold up. 40%. Woo! All right, I am going to start the trim here. I'm going to start the trim here. I gotta lock it in. I gotta lock something in. We up fat. Up $200 per contract gain. Let's go. We're printing. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh my God, what a candle. Oh my God. Bang, bang. I'm trimming. Premium Discord. I'm trimming. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Bang, bang. Oh, what a freaking candle, baby. Let's go, SPY puts. Oh, I already see the profits flowing in the Discord. Crypto, did you full port your account or what did you try? Because his account is up 101% right now. Holy shit. Sold the SPY puts. Thank Casey. Great job. Great job, guys. Great job, guys. Great job, guys. Great job. I bought these for I bought these for 4. Oh, now they're popping a little bit more. I bought these for 488. They're at 706. And then the 580s. Well, now they're really popping. They're about to hit 450. Boop, 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 boop. I got filled at 305 on those. Those are at 450. Oh, dude, we're fucking printing right now. Print. Print. Printing. Printing money. Print the money. Print the money. All right. I trimmed some of the 600 for September at 705. Bro, we're up $1,000 to start the day on these SPY puts. Hold up. Hey. We don't play. Hold up. Hey. Take a seat. Oh, baby. Oh, drop it low. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Oh, cover. Whoop, whoop. Printing. All right. I mean, send it lower. Just dump it. Dump it. Great job, guys, in the premium Discord. Oh! Can we go a little bit lower? IWM is back to 215. Where's Tessie? Tessie with the big wick straight to the 200 and right back down. SPY, just fall. Just fall. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm up 50%. And I got plenty of time. All right. Okay, it's getting a little crazy here. All right, just sent out that on the Discord. Took the trim skis. Great job, guys. Hey. Ready, guys? Y'all ready for this? All right, there you go, premium Discord. Just sent out the SPY gains Right there from my account. Let's go. Hit that level almost to the penny. What was that 623.71? What did it hit? 623.71 to the penny. Look at the low of the candle. To the penny. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Hey. What else going on out there in this market right now? What we got? Trying to get Webull to load on the desktop. But it is not. Why is it not loading? Liv says Spy went limp in Him's morning wood. Good morning, Casey. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. What Him's? 70? No, not back up to 70 yet. It is popping though. It's 66. It is popping. Hit that 70 yesterday. My equity was up like 100 and what was it? It was 155 or 175. I think it's 155. Let me see. That was 175. What am I up right now? I'm up 160% right now. So I going lower? My count just jumped. Yup. You're. All right. I'm going to lock some of this in, baby. We're going to lock some of this in. Hey. Smoke weed every day. Do you look before closing? Yes. You can trade SPY and QQQ until 4:15 p.m. Eastern. Runners running. Let me see. SPY 630 puts up 200%. Should have swung a put. Damn it. I alerted too. I alerted two different ones. Nice job, Cheekies. 200% on SPY puts. Let's go. Great work. Great work. Yes, you can do that on Webull. I use Webull. Most brokers allow you to do it. Oh my goodness, we are just flushing here. All right, yeah, we're flushing here. Our SPY 600 piece for September up 47%. Oh, just broke straight to it. Oh, damn, about to be 60%. Give it to me, baby, like boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Oh, dude, we're just freaking printing right here right now. All right, now we're up 1.2K. All right, trimming SPY 600 puts September 50%. Trimming SPY 580 puts for September 60%. This contract from 700 trim just went almost to 8 here. All right, I got filled at 772 from 4 88. The SPY 580s from 305 are at 492. Well, we got freaking paid. Let's go. All right, just send both alerts in the premium Discord. Let's go. Slam it. 230%. Let's go. Slam it. Slam it down. Die, SPY. Daggum, son. Say Casey needs a phone charger. Don't look at the screenshots of my Weeble account. That showed my dead phone battery in the top. I know. I gotta plug it in. Look, I'll do that right now. I'll do it right now, Brandon. There we go. 51%. Yes, sir. We are dumping. We are dumping this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Oh, just go straight to it. Dude, just go straight to the freaking level. Oh my god. Just do it. SPY, what are you down right now on the day? 1.5%. Give us a minus 2% day. IWM is already doing it. IWM is going for a minus 2% day. Q's is at a 1.9. Go, go, go. Freaking do it, baby. Drop it a little bit lower. Holy shit. All right, come on. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. 1.9K. Let me hit 1.2. Let me hit 1.2. You can do it. A little bit lower. Go to the level. You're like 30 cents. There it is. Better be up 70%. All right. I'm going to trim here. Fill. Filled. Damn, son. Let's freaking go. All right. I'm out 3/4 position size here. And just sent the alert. Well, if you're in the premium Discord, you swung puts me, you got paid. If you're here on the live stream, you knew I had SPY puts here going into the open, and I wanted to see continuation lower, and so freaking be it. There we go. And look at that beautiful trim. Look at that. And then buyer stepping in. Oh my goodness gracious. Someone said what happened with Apple? It probably died. Hims reversal. Apple is a disappointment. Look at the daily chart. I've been talking about it forever. So it stayed within this freaking range from like 195 to like 214 for a minute. It's back and forth. So then I was like, okay. Last time I traded Apple, I took it here. And I took it from here straight back to up here. And now, because it's the same spot from prior, same spot. That was the only move I've done on Apple so far. And it hit, and now rejecting and coming back down. Apple is just, it's not going to do nothing. It's not going to do anything. Stuck here to here with the little midpoint, like right inside here, right? You got these two spots right here. And then take everything else off the chart on Apple. Don't need none of this other shit, right? Take all this off. This is all you have on Apple so far. Is this chart. You have your resistance zone above up here. You have your big support zone below, and you have your midpoint zone with these two levels right here between around 201, 206, right? That's literally all Apple is good right now. That's about it. What? Oh, neighbor Chris. Neighbor Chris. $445 on the day. All right, SPY just hit that level right there. Just continue to sell it. Just dump it down for me. Let's go. Dump it. Let's go, neighbor Chris. Dude, my neighbor crushes it every freaking time. Daggum, let's go. I mean, how far do they want to drop it low today? How far do we want to drop it low today? Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. What's today? Today's the 1st, right? Let's go. What he just sent me? Oh yeah, he just sent me a picture of his brokerage account. Let's go, neighbor Chris. Would it be insane to snipe a call? I mean, you have big support right here on SPY. So, whoopsies. I just clicked on my mail. Whoopsies. All right, so 621.45. Let's go find out why this level is on this chart real quick. All right. So, it's a good area of support from Friday to Monday, from June 11 to from July 11th to July 14th. Am I going to be the one to try calls? No, I'm not going to be the one to try calls. I mean, risk to reward. I mean, does it look good buying calls down here off a support level? I mean, when a little bit overextension intraday on a 5-minute, yeah, absolutely. But I mean, I'm not the one to do it right now. I'm not the one to do it right now. I am just trimming out of my put swings. IWM IWM told the story a little bit before SPY and Qs did. Before SPY and Qs started to look like the short swing, IWM, look at the daily right here. I mean, just look at the last few daily candles up here, right? Just look at the last few daily candles right there. All right, now go to QQQ. QQQ didn't have that. QQ just had this one big bearish engulfing right here that closed under the daily 9 for the first time, right? But look at the weekly. The weekly was like up here at one point, and it was looking like a shooting star. Look at this pullback right here. So now, go to SPY. SPY getting a nice big old weekly red candle engulfing right here. And look at the daily. Go to your daily 9. Closed right underneath of it, right? And we are just selling. Selling. What's going on with Discord? Oh my goodness. Let's see. All right. Discord profits. Let's see. Crypto up 101% on the account today. Neighbor Chris, $445. Let's go. Ray, $2,000 to start the day. My man. Let's go. Sebastian, account is up 59% right now. Great job. Great freaking job, guys. Oh. Oh, Chris is over 6K. My man. Great freaking job, neighbor Chris. Neighbor Chris is the GOAT. Neighbor Chris is the GOAT. I'm in these bubble $8 calls for $8.15 and 55 cents. SPY getting did it close above that level? It did. SPY did close above that level. I gotta do some account management for a lot of these old freaking runners and roll. Let's see. Close. What else we got? Not time for CXX just yet. SPY getting a little bounce right here. RBRK, $85 puts coming in. Down the bull flows. What's Tessie doing? Someone said, look, Tesla to 200s. Oh, that's bold. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. It's got an alert saying that DAL is also down 5%. No, UAL was getting hit this morning. Delta looking ugly. Let's go check UAL. It broke underneath the zone and broke that trend line, looked like. Let me check NVIDIA. NVIDIA. NVIDIA doesn't look too terrible, honestly, for... You gotta, it filled the gap right here, and you got this level that runs across like somewhere in here. Let me go to a 4-hour real quick. See if NVIDIA get a drop down to like 168. Be pretty decent. See if it holds there. Tessie right at 300 cycle level though. Previous week low is right here as well. Q's trying to hold it together. SPY. Don't know. Don't know if she could do it. All right, let me put together these real quick. IWM just is, I think, is just leading the way. Let me go to the Discord real quick. Bow, chicken, bow, bow. That's what my baby says. I got data coming out, 10 a.m. Oh, SPY, new low of day. Let's go. Lead the way, IWM. Freaking lead the way. Lead it to the promised land. Just drop it low, girl. Told you I wasn't stepping in front of this thing. Let's freaking go, SPY puts. Ho! Oh my goodness. All right, the 600s are at 870 from 488. We can get $400 per contract gain here. All right, the SPY 580s are at 560. Oh my goodness, the market that's dying. Here we go. Oh! All right. Just sell it all. Sell it all. All right, I'm sending the alert right now on Discord. Wow. These are freaking for September. Just letting them run. Insane. Always got a full board on cases callouts? No, never. Never. Freaking dump this bad boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dang, oh dude. I didn't expect this to happen today. Who else getting paid on these SPY puts? Dude, there's no freaking way Septembers are going to be up 100% today. There's no way. There's no way. Oh my goodness. Just go to, it just broke 620 cycle level. Neighbor Chris, he said, bro, you caught that trade clean. I just sent him a screenshot of how much I was up. Let's go, guys. Trader's Bait took SPY 620 puts for 8-1. Ooh, did some 0 DTEs on his move down here, 56%. Great job. Woo! Insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. This is a wild candle. Wild. All right. Gosh dang it, all these alerts coming in. Ooh. You hit it long right there. Nice. He did. Trader's Bait. Is this a bounce spot? One of the analysts sent it. They're trying it. They tried the long there. Let's see. Gladiator. Let's see. His NVIDIA puts are green. Trim some of those. Palantir. He swung Palantir 150s. He's been in those for a minute. Nice. They almost went in the money. Nice freaking job. Nice job, Gladiator. Nice. I am not trying along again. I think you can probably get some good opportunities both ways today, but I'm staying on the short train overall. I was not expecting to see SPY go to 620 today. Let me waiting for my X app to load. Jesus, you think it'll go lower on SPY? I mean, did SPY hit the God, my Weeble will not load. SPY hit what? Almost minus 2%, or did hit minus 2%. QQQ also did minus 2%, and IWM is at minus 3%. Do I think it's going to go a lot lower? Probably not. Like, I would not be surprised. Honestly, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if this starting area right here, if this is low of day. I would not be surprised if that is low of day. I don't think we're going to see much more underneath 620, 618. I could absolutely be wrong, but I wouldn't be surprised if this right here is low of day. Now, if we break that and go lower, like I'm perfectly fine with that because I'm in these freaking puts and I got plenty of time on it. The lower it goes, the more freaking money I'm gonna make on these puts. But if it bounces here and holds right here, wouldn't be surprised. Is this a bounce spot? Not for me. I'm only short today. Not taking a single long. I'm not taking a single long right now. There's nothing that is telling me to try any kind of long position. It is trim out of my shorts. Weeble. And we finished the small account challenge yesterday, phase 2. So we went from 1,000 to 2,000. Took the 2,000 to 4,000. And now I need to take 4,000 to 8,000. We'll see. See if we want to just keep doubling it. If I want to reset it, I'm not sure yet. Probably start. Chris is texting me. Took the trade. He said I took the trade this morning. He did not take it last night. Oh, look at that. He said, but right when market opened up, he jumped into the SPY puts. Not so Chris didn't even swing the SPY puts with me, and I was already up 25-30% at the open, and then they went plus 65-70%, and he caught that move right there. Great job. Nice job. Look at these bottom wicks coming in right here. $2K to $10K. Well, we're at 4, so it would be 4 to 10, unless I take a withdrawal and drop it down to 2. Getting some nice bounces across the board here. Tessie. Whoa. Ooh, Tessie. 5-minute little reversal right here. Oh, I like it. Uh-oh. Is this it? Maybe the one thing I do for calls will be Tesla for a little bit of fun. Tesla, what? 305 or 307.50 DTEs. Uh-oh. Got a little baby calling for me outside my door. What's going on? Chris. All right, Tessie. See what we can do here. Tessie, come on now. My Weeble desktop is still not loading. Go, Tessie. Go, Tessie. Go. Shoot for 10K. We can do 4K to 10K. We can try that. What's Bumble doing? Chilling? Still the same spot I was yesterday. What was the opening tick? 550. Vol-D and Vol-DQ opened up right. This one opened up right above the 0 line, and Vol-D opened up right underneath the 0 line. We got a high VIX again. Let's go. VIX back to 20. Talked about this last week. We're like, what does VIX see first? Nice pop SPY. All them longs. Exit the SPY puts 80%. Thank you, Casey Trades. Great work, King Buck. Great work. Great work. The RKT calls from Gladiator up 104%. Let's go. Oh, 100 points on NQ long. Oh, let's go. Great job. He tried it. He took it. Great job. Let's go. Nice job. Let's go, Bumble. Go to $8. I'm gonna tell Bumble to go to $8. All right, there's a 9 EMA on SPY. There's a 9 EMA on Q's 5-minute. VIX hit this 2165 level to the penny. Like I still have all these old levels on VIX up here. Man, the tick finally getting some overextensions. $100. Nice job, Sharky. Right here. Where's 620 psych level? 620 psych level is right there, down to 618. So we shall see. I don't know. I don't know if we break that today. I'm super freaking happy with this downside move right here. I'm super happy about that, and I can't be mad. Can't be mad if it holds low of day right here. I got plenty of time on these puts, and they're very, very green. Like, I've already locked in some really good gains on these. SPY would literally have to go back to... If SPY reclaimed 631.50, 632, yeah, I'd probably have to close out the rest and then just reevaluate the larger time frame. And then as long as it stays underneath that, my puts will be green and fine. Remember, $10 away from that, from the upside, or $4 away from that bottom part on the freaking downside. If that falls out, I mean, I think we could see 615, 613 on SPY. I think that would be a great spot to be looking at longs. Where's the daily? Look at that. So look, that 618 spot. Look at the reaction SPY had over here back on Monday, July 7th. That's what sent to a new high right after that. SPY then came back down, hit it again, went up and made new highs after that, and it led to, more all-time highs. So it didn't quite get there yet. SPY actually hit this low that's over here from Tuesday, July 8th. But I'll tell you right now, SPY comes down to right there. That is a really good bounce spot right there, around that 618. Underneath that, again, previous month low area, 615. So this zone that's right here. So SPY loses this zone here. I think we're going to see, where's 615? We're going to see this zone here. SPY gets down to 618 area. I'd definitely be looking for longs by that point. Bumble! I told you I was in those calls. Anyone take Bumble? Called him out on here. Told you I was in those calls. Nice bounce Qs. A little bit stronger than SPY, looks like. I don't need this chart. I can put IWM over here. Ooh, 5-minute tweezer bottom on IWM was nice. Here goes Tessie. Go Tessie, go Tessie, go. Go Tessie, go Tessie, go. Go Tessie, go Tessie, go. All right, up a little bit on these, nothing crazy. 10% on the Bumbles, 18% on the Tessies. Nothing crazy. Nice long on the futures there. Is he still in or did he close? No, still in. 120 points here. Let's go. Banked on meta puts and then flipped to meta calls. Let's see. Oh my God, the puts. What is that? You made $915 on the puts and then flipped the calls. Made another $200. Hell yeah. Nice. Look at that. Got opportunities both ways today. Great work. Didn't get filled by a fucking penny. It's all good. Bumble hookup candle. So, Casey, do I learn this? Do you have a course? I have a premium Discord where I do this every day, where I'm just live streaming, live trading. But during that time, Monday through Thursday in the premium Discord, on the live stream, just calling out exactly what I'm taking, like SPY 560 put September 19 at 488, or taking these, Bumble calls, whatever it is here, for $50, whatever it is. And then I send it to my alert channel for the push notifications for people that can't be on the live stream, so on and so forth. And then myself, and there's a bunch of other guys, amazing analyst in there. My futures analyst, who is right now up 130 points on this NQ long, absolutely crushing it. And then got Bishop, day trade, swing trade. Got Gladiator, day trade, swing trade. Got Jesse, day trade, swing trade. And then myself. So yeah, we do everything in the premium Discord. What a freaking long. Oh my goodness. Great freaking job. Oh my God, Shark. From 824 to 960. There's 100, almost 140 points there. Absolutely insane. That's a hell of a freaking. That was a great long. Here's VWAP on SPY. I don't have. Why does I have VWAP on here? VWAP and right at the 21 on Q is a little bit higher at 556.2. Bow, 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 bow. Is my X finally going to load now? Oh, I think it's going to load. There we go. Maybe. Let me clear the app and come back in. I haven't been able to get X Mobile to work this morning. There we go. I think it had to update. All right. Let me send this out. Our premium Discord is like $69. But use code KC30 if you want 30% off. You can use that as well. All right. All right. I ask for one thing and one thing only, just to go throw a like on my most recent post here on X. So if you go to X, go to my X profile, you will see yesterday at 406. I bought a starter position short on some SPY puts. Again, I did not expect it to drop as much as it did. So I only had just a little over about $2,000 position of these SPY puts of the 600s and 580s for September. Um, but nevertheless, if that's going, um, 70%, I cannot not like lock that in, because if I had the full position, right, and I was up 35, pushing 40%, I'd be like, yeah, I'd be taking some trim. So if I only have, half that of, 20, $2,400 worth of these puts, and, and I'm pushing, plus 50% at that time. And, I'm already up, 1.2K now in the day. Like, I got to start thinking about locking some things in. So if you go over to the X profile, you'll see right there. So we'll see, yesterday I did the starter swing 600 puts on SPY for 919 at 488. And I said, if you want something cheaper, I said those 580s. Those 580s were at 305. That was my fill on those. And then you'll see the screenshots there from this morning, the SPY 600 puts for about 72%. And then the SPY 580 puts for 66%. So shows both of those positions there. I sent out the screenshot of my account and how much I was up earlier. I'll do another post later on showing that as well, just to be transparent on it. But absolutely amazing. LG just sent me a message. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that month. Look at that. What do you have? Two red days. All the other ones are green. He said, love you, bro. Have an amazing weekend. Great job. That's amazing. Yep. Just keep the green days bigger than the red days. More consistent and larger than the red days. Absolutely amazing. Have a great weekend, bro. Nice job. Great freaking job. Here goes Tessie. All right, Tessie up 28%. I'm going to take a little some off here and move stop to entry. Whee! Beautiful Morningstar reversal, one of my absolute favorites, and it closed right back above the level. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Bang, bang. Tessie, Tessie. All right. Bam. Just got filled. You're beautiful. Bumble's trying. All right, move a stop to entry on my Tessies. And let me post these. Tesla. There we go. We can break this spot right here. This looks really good. All right, Tesla 305s here. Going to trim 210. Boop, 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 boop. From $1.50. Let's go. 215. Send it, Tessie. Let's go. Gotta love a good freaking Morningstar reversal, and it closed right back above my yellow level. Send it to the moon. Send it to the moon. I said 305s or 307.5s. I did the 305s. Morningstar reversal. All right, there's VWAP and 21 on Qs. Nice freaking bounce. Look at that. Green candles straight back up. VIX coming back down to 20. Vol-D still negative. Vol-DQ still negative. Tick kind of just chilling. Tick actually staying neutral near the zero line. It's actually not pushing up a lot higher with SPY and Qs pushing up higher, but it is definitely looking good. You're beautiful. Would Bishop take? He took Walmart. Ooh. When did he take the Walmarts? Oh, look, I have a level right. Look at that. Dude, my yellow levels, I swear to God. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful chart on Walmart right there. Live. If I want to follow along and join the premium Discord, I don't really understand what I need to get started as far as software. I mean, two things you're definitely going to need. One is brokerage account. I mean, you got to be able to trade. Two, and then I use TradingView as my charting software. Well, yeah, look, M Dizzy right there said, get a broker. I'm using Webull and TradingView when it's on a holiday sale. 100%. I buy TradingView, the annual subscription every year during Black Friday for 70% off. I buy their freaking whatever highest tier that they offer, and their pro version, whatever the heck that it is. I get it every single year for 70% off. That is like, if you're going to utilize TradingView, that's like the best freaking way to do it. When did he take these Walmarts? What, like 10 minutes ago? He took them, what, here? Bishop took Walmart calls here. Just popped up here above previous day high. Nice. Vol-D still going lower. VIX also going lower. Tick dropping a little bit. Vol-DQ not popping up. Q's still very, very strong. Still very, very strong. And he's all out at 23,000 from 22,824. $176 points. Oh my God. What a freaking long, dude. Great job. I learned my Morningstar reversals from Casey Trades. Look at that. He took the Tesla 302.5 calls. Nice job. I saw the Morningstar and had to smack it too, my friend. Let's freaking go. We love it. We love some Morningstar reversals. We absolutely love it. Q's ripping. Tessie's still not up near that target yet. It's almost there. It's almost there. All right, 220 here on these. Come on. A little bit more, Tessie. A little bit more. Come on. And Bumble. I want to see Bumble get these freaking $8 calls in the money today. Absolutely nice recovery. I mean, those lower bottom wicks down here, though, on the 5-minute, especially this green hammer candle right here. I mean, those lower bottom wicks just showing you the buyers are absolutely present here in this zone, and they're stepping in, pushing that price action higher. Again, risk to reward. You got to think about that too for a second. I mean, the second that you see these bottom wicks come in, you get that green hammer candle. Risk to reward. You start the long position there and you risk that low of day. I mean, you target back up here to VWAP or the 21. I mean, that's a 2-to-1 risk to reward trade right there. I mean, and look, I mean, we're now sitting above VWAP in the 21 EMA, just right here at the high of it. So, I mean, again, that was an amazing spot for it. Make sure you lock some of the Tessies in there. Just got a little premium spike up there, 230s. Valdi is still selling. Tick dropping lower. Vol DQ still dropping lower as well. Where's the red candles? Where's the red candle? Bring the red candle in. Huge volume on Dell. Yeah, we did get some good volume right there on Dell. Does have a gap to fill. Look at this, holding this zone right here. Look, I draw the same things all the time. Like if it breaks this zone, it goes down to this zone. I just never freaking delete this shit. I'm probably not going to delete this part right here either. I'll leave this on there. See, now you have this zone right here. You got a nice level right across right there. Then you have a gap fill here on the daily. I mean, the trend line's a little bit wonky because, I mean, if you hit this low here, I mean, it does kind of reclaim it, but I feel like it goes even farther back than that. But that gap fill right there above looks pretty good. Up to low of that daily candle is 132.21. Go here. All right, drop it back down to a 15-minute. Let's go intraday real quick. Yeah, good volume. So right there, if it breaks above the 15-minute 21 EMA, it's going to enter back into the gap, and then you'll see right up here. Nice target spot right there to complete the gap up near that 132.2 area. SPY and Q still holding up. Tessie, come on. Come on, Tessie. They're bouncing them around here around the 230 still. Here we go. Come on. A little bit more, Tessie. Little bit more. All right, come on. Little bit more. Go, go, go. Oh, there it is. 250. I'm going to take some off here. $100 per contract gain. Let me get a screenshot. Boom! All right, take him to 3. Give us 100%. All right, $100 per contract gain. Tesla. Let's go. Almost hit it to the penny. It was almost right there to that target, but beautiful Morningstar reversal. Beautiful. He said, Bumble, come on, move more than a penny per minute, please. It doesn't. It moves like that. It's like Ford. Ford moves like that too. Someone said use the magnet. What, on Tesla? I mean, there's the red candle on SPY. There you get. There you go. There's a red candle on Qs. All right, now we're making sense. Vol-D's still selling. Vol-DQ still selling. Very weak. Tick was getting that red candle as well while those two were selling. I was like, where's the red candle on SPY and Qs? I guess it was just a little delayed. Send it back down. It's a big spot here for Tesla. If you haven't locked them in, I mean, $100 per contract gain on these 305s. I don't know why I haven't locked something in, but that's just me. What up, Shark? The Sharknado himself with freaking sniping the lows for this little intraday V-shape bounce for amazing gains. 176-point trade on NQ. That's fucking insane. So it's kind of cool like that too. It just shows the diversity as well, and just the different things that, like, within the community that we have, where you have people like Bishop right now. Bishop's talking about that Walmart trade that I just talked about as well, right? Where he took those calls, pulled the chart up, it just wicked up right here and just made a quick new high of day. Still holding above previous day high, and like he just took a trim on some of those Walmart calls. So you got someone over here who's focusing on these individual names right here intraday, like Walmart, and catching a nice move right here, right? And then obviously for me, it was freaking SPY puts all freaking morning down here, getting 70%. And then you have somebody else in the Discord as well, another analyst on the future side, who snipes the freaking low intraday and catches 176 points upside on NQ. Like, that's the cool thing just about the way that the Discord is structured for who we have in there. Just a little bit of everything. You got your people that like to trade the individual names and take advantage over there, and then you got people that trade the indices, mainly like me. I watch SPY and Qs all day long, and take them intraday, and then we got futures going on as well. So that's the cool thing about the community, just the diversity that we have and that we offer. SPY back to poop. maybe I don't know. Again, I said it this morning. I don't think we'll break 618. That's the only spot I would be looking for a long. I mean, I'm going to sit in these puts until I get stopped out on the rest. We've already locked in amazing gains. I would love to see lower, but I don't think we're going to break 618 today. I think we'll break 618 next week. I absolutely think all the pops are going to get slammed. I think we're going to see a little bit of a different setting with SPY and Qs, where recently it's been a lot of the dips have been getting bought. I think we're going to flip the script a little bit here. For the next few weeks, and I think a lot of the big pops are going to get slammed back down. And overall, it may not be a straight waterfall and straight down in a line, but I do think we're gonna hit some of these bigger spots downside. So I would love to see SPY come down here to the 618 area. Now, This was a drastic drop on the daily, and we do have a huge gap to fill above. So it is very interesting. Everyone's going to be talking about this next week. You're going to see so many posts over the weekends talking about this big drop on SPY, the gap to fill above. You're going to see all the perma bulls come in here and say that, you know, this dip's going to be bought. We're going to rip back up. We're going to fill that gap and then go make new all-time highs in a few weeks. I mean, you're going to expect to see a bunch of those posts coming out over the weekend. Then you're going to see a bunch of people coming in as well on X saying, this is just the start of the bear market. Everything's changing. Send SPY back down to 600 and then break it, go lower. Like you're just going to see a bunch of different crazy posts from your people that are either looking for some kind of perma bull engagement or perma bear engagement, or just who knows, just trolling, who knows, whatever it is. But I wouldn't really focus too much on that. Just stick to your plan, your trading strategy, what you see on the chart, execute with confidence, move on to the next one. And there's nothing wrong with you can do both. You can literally trade calls and puts in the exact same day. It doesn't freaking matter. Like this morning, you could have absolutely been in the puts down here. You could have flipped the script long right here. Someone in the Discord did with Meta, apparently. They took puts, they traded it downside, made $900. Then they risked some profits, played it back up, made another 200 real quick. Over $1,000 right there, both ways, right? Capitalize in both directions. Just wherever the chart is telling you best risk to reward entry for either a short or a long intraday, you can hit it both ways. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. You can do that intraday while you have longer term swings on. I could be trading weekly options on SPY or Qs both ways, but on the back burner, right over on the larger picture, I'm looking for a downside move. I can have puts that are a few months out, just letting them sit over there and hold their value, while over on the larger time frame, we're still going to make lower highs and lower lows. There's nothing wrong with that. Someone say, can you post QQQ chart? I can send you this one right here. Still looking good. Now it's looking like a little cup and handle. Someone said Tesla's going. Oh, shit. Hold on. Hold on. Gosh dang it. All right, hold on. Oh, boom. Oh, the order just filled. Oh, let's fucking go. The 3 just triggered. Well, that was easy. All right, let me pull it up. I was going to see people in the Discord going crazy. They're like, oh, Tesla. There it is. Beautiful. Go Tesla, go Tesla, go. Go Tesla, go. Are you buying more? I just bought some more Oscar at these levels. Go Tesla, go. Let's go. Let me send this out real quick. Boom, baby. All right, gotta do some management here. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Whoa, 340, 350. Oh shit. I'm gonna close majority here. I closed majority of Tesla. Holy shit. Anyone catch that Tesla with me? $132%. The white line on my chart is a level. It's 309. It's just a level. I don't know why it's white. It's supposed to be yellow. My bad. Supposed to be yellow. LOL. I changed it. Out the last, the Apple puts from 16 to 184. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, for 1,000%? And they just went over 2. Nice freaking job, dude. Nice job. Nice. SPY 5-minute candle looks nasty. Yes, it does. Send it lower. Drop it lower. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Beautiful move on Tessie. Neighbor Chris is in the house. What's up, Chris? Small gains on Tesla for me, $120. Dude, that's not small gains. That's not small gains, dude. You make $120 in one trade in 30 minutes of work. Think about that for a second, dude. That's not small gains, man. It's not small gains. Great job, Chris. Let's go. Nice job. Go best friend. That's my best friend. Go best friend. That's my best friend. What's up, neighbor Chris? Reddit new high of day above yesterday. Is it above previous day high? Or not previous day high, pre-market high. Yeah, look at that from the earnings. Holy shit. What a move on Reddit. That was insane. Nice work on Tesla, Chris. Great job. Look at that. Little upper wick shooting star rejection, close on a previous day low. Again, that was the target. I mean, if it continues, it continues. I mean, that trade, it's 132%. It doesn't go red, guys. Do not be greedy. We do this shit every Friday. Every single freaking Friday. Every single freaking Friday. Bring it down, SPY. Come on, you know you want to. Look at Chris. Oh, $500 on the day. Friday, 0 DTE trades are only on live. Because they are super, super, super volatile. Bang, bang. SPY dying again. Let's go. Drop it low, girl. Yeah, Reddit was insane. Vol DQ. Vol D still selling. VIX reclaiming 20. Look at that tick. That 1045 on the tick is wild. It's trying to pop back up here to the 0 line, though. But, I mean, if it bounces anywhere in this area right here on the Qs, you could have the higher low and you could still have a cup and handle. So if it bounces right here and gets a nice reaction, so if Qs comes down right here and it gets a nice reaction and starts to pop back up, I would do one of two things. I'd get your trend line out, draw that trend line wherever that hits, right? And also draw this bad boy right here. Watch this for a second. But if it does hold, now if it just knifes through this, I think that's fantastic. But if it bounces, draw your little cup, get your little handle going right here, right? And then see if it holds here for the higher low, bounces out of here, goes back up, right? Cup and handle plays out, and then it puts in higher lows and tries to make this little next leg up for a higher high, right? Now, if it flushes, just dies, then, you know, the overall larger trend for the day, which is these lower highs being put in and this lower low that's down here from obviously the pre-market lows, that continues. So someone's yelling at me about Bumble. Come on. I mean, guys, I'm just telling you. I'm just calling out what I'm taking. Let her cook. Where do we up? Where am I up now? Oh, okay. Oh shit. Okay, we're okay. Bumble's up 20%. Back up 20% here on the Bumbles. Come on. Called these out this morning. Premium was already in these. These were a swing from yesterday. I took them here. They came back down. They went back to my entry. I think they maybe went. Did they ever go below entry this morning on that lower wick? They did. They went to 50. They wicked down on 50 and went to 45 on the bid. So they're $5 spreads. So it's like, it's a little weird. Remember, there's cheap contracts that are like that. Come on. I said I want them in the money today. Come on, Bumble. Bumbly dumbly. Oh, get them in the money. What is Chris posting in the Discord?
People, bro. None of these fools trade. How come you're not trading with
I'd rather be poor than fucking fat, bitch.
I'm not sure if you guys could hear that video. Oh shit, that was hilarious. Chris Lilly at work right now on his phone, trading and making money on the SPY puts this morning, and then these Tesla calls. Dude's at work right now, just making money on his phone. Just made $500 on the day. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Tesla can start to break a base above that previous day low area right there at 306. Would like to see the move back up to 309. Again, Bumble, I'm just looking for $8. I want to see these $8 calls go in the money. Q's bouncing so far. Let's see if that plays out. I think Bumble. So here. We need rocket ship. We need rocket ship emoji. Someone said we got to put the magnet on. Gosh dang it. Let me turn it. Piece of shit. There we go. All right. All right. We need a rocket. It's a little crooked. That's going to make me angry. We need the rocket. All right. Need the rocket. And put the magnet on the chart here. And then just for fun, is there a bee emoji? There's got to be a bee, right? B. All right. There we go. This is what we need. It's what we need to happen right here. Can you send it? Tesla can explode over 309? Baby, I know. Don't I know it, TJ? Don't I know it? What's my expiration on the Bumble? They're the $8 calls for August 15th. I got orders to trim at 70 to 75 on these bad boys. And that's because when the bid and ask jump to 70 to 75, the trade will be up plus 25%. And I'm happy with that for the trim. So I needed to pop up a little bit more on these premiums. I could take the trim here for 20% and fill the bid at 65, 100%. And there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm just speaking out loud, and obviously manage your own trades, manage everything accordingly. It's your trade, it's your money. Do absolutely whatever you would like and follow your rules. Bumble is up 20% here. to where you can get a bid fill right now for 20%. If you like 20%. Oh ho ho! Drop it low. Go to 618 today. Go to 618 and then bounce. Like literally, just go from here straight to here. And then I'll trim out just another contract or two. You can bounce and recover and go back up near here. And you can close right there for the day. Perfectly fine. You know what? I'll even look for a potential long intraday at 618 if it happens within the next 30 minutes because I'm jumping off in 30 minutes. If it gets down to 618 and I take another trim on some of those puts, if buyers step in at 618 on SPY, I'm telling you, that'll be the long. That'll be my long for the day. That'll be my long. My kids are having a blast out in the living room right now. Well, except for one of them. One of them's not. He said, game over, bro. We got the rocket and the magnet. Send it. Fucking send it. Oh my goodness. No way. I just saw Sharky went short a little bit ago. He just trimmed. Look, this dude caught 176 points upside and then flipped it short for this downside. Oh my god, look at it go. Look, see, this is freaking, that's what I love to see. I love when people can just have the trade setups intraday to make money on both sides. Just no bias, right? Just straight price action, trusting the chart. Dude just made money both directions. Let's fucking go. Dude, my son is pissed about whatever the freak is happening on that living room right now. All right. Oh, now I hear Everly. Something crazy going on out there. Uh-oh, profits chat. What's going on? Allie, $409 on the day. Amazing job. Wayne took the Tesla, 305 calls. Oh my god. Dude made $2,000. Let's go. And he closed it for 50%. Look at that. Wayne, you could have $4,000. No, I'm just kidding. Don't even worry about that. That's great freaking job, man. Let's go. Love seeing it. All right, there's SPY at the 621.45 level. Q's. Watch that spot here. Let's see. That's a big candle on SPY. Nice reaction. Dude, Bumble, hurry up and go. You have 27 minutes to get these calls in the money. 27 minutes. Big pop on the tick. Big candle on, not big candle. Decent candle on SPY. Nice reaction. Still underneath EMAs though. So in order for this this higher low and the potential cup and handle to play out, look, it already drew the trend line right here for me. for the lower highs. So it was the same thing that I drew over here manually on Qs, right? SPY, the price action concepts indicator, is already kind of doing that for me. So it's going to draw this trend line here. SPY bounces and holds right here. It goes back above the EMA's VWAP and this level around 623. A bottom trend line is probably going to come in right here, run it upside. You'll be able to draw your cup and handle right there. When it breaks and closes above this spot right here, if it does bounce from here and goes up, that's your cup and handle breakout, and then you want to see that move back up here on SPY. So that's the potential bull setup right now that could be setting up on SPY. Everly is highly pissed off right now outside my door. What a day. Just need Bumble to kind of get stupid green candle upside. Did it fill the order? Sometimes premiums just spike up and it'll fill the order on the broker. Let me see. I'm still up. It says I'm up 22.73%. That's because the bid's at 65 and the ask is at 70. So there's a mid price of 0.68. You cannot get a mid fill on these contracts for that. So I would have to sell it for 65 for 20%, which I haven't done. I put it for 70. I won 70 on the bid. Where the freak are my SPY puts? Okay, there they are. All right, still up 50%. Woo! Nice reaction. Nice reaction. Vol D green candle. Vol DQ not a green candle. Big green candle on the tick. VIX. I think VIX is going to be floating around this freaking 20. I think it's going to be. I'm glad that VIX is at 20. Make volatility great again. Look at SPY. You can tell it's not. I'm going to be out of it. So here, draw here. Is going to either form this cup and handle and give the breakout over this spot, or we're going to continue the trend. We're going to break this one right here, come back down to these equal lows, or make the lower low after that, obviously. So we will see how that sets up. Bang, 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 bang. What is that? Spy call sweep above the ask on 633 calls. Ooh. Just some flow that came in. Someone posted in the Discord. All right, Bumble. Got 20 minutes. 20 freaking minutes. All right, there is exactly 3,600 people in here. Jeez. I had to take a screenshot for you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in today to the live stream. All 3,600 people of you between the YouTube channel and on X here today. I mean, again, it was just, for me, it was puts on SPY for the swing and then opening up right here. Shout out neighbor Chris, who jumped into SPY puts, and we caught the big move downside, locked in some really good gains on a Friday on the main account, which is nice. And then it's Tesla. I mean, we take Tesla every Friday on the stream. Nothing less than 100% every single time. Only had a handful of those contracts there, but I mean 132%. I only have, I think, 2 left. Why do I have to use Face ID? Stupid Face ID. Yeah, I only have 2 left on the Tesla. And then Bumble, I haven't got filled yet. So, SPY puts, bang, bang. Bumble calls so far, bang, bang. And our weekly Tesla 100 plus trade on the calls for the Morningstar reversal and reclaim over the yellow level was absolutely beautiful. Bang, bang. Nice little Friday. There's no better feeling than winning together. Great job, guys. We crushed these putas. Yes, we did indeed. Yes, we did. Great work, team. Dude, I'm telling you, our premium Discord team, like, freaking love you guys. Any swings for SPY here? I have put swings. Like, do you see SPY going up like 630 in the coming days? SPY could see 630 today. All right, they're holding it. See if the cup and handle plays out. Let's see. Qs, trend line, run that through here. Trend line, run it up right here. Same chart from before. Now a little bit more structure. Let's see. This is make or break coming up here. That's the top of it. We're either going to reject the big trend line and goes down here to see these equal lows, or it will break VWAP here and probably push up here to a new low, higher high intraday right here. There's no squeeze on the 5-minute, nothing on the 10, 15-minute. So it's getting tight. It's getting tight. Love you, Allie. Appreciate you. I don't really roll in the same order. I will close out and then re-enter the new position. risking the profits from the original. We'll close on, then re-enter the new position later on at a good entry point, risking the profits from the original. Someone said, yes, that went great. I noticed over 3 million flow of calls for 633 for SPY for 8/8/2025. Does this mean it will go up in the next coming days? Seeing that flow come in, does that mean SPY is going to go up in the next coming days? Absolutely not. No, absolutely not. Just because you see that flow come in right now, 3 million on SPY calls, like that doesn't mean just because someone's buying 633 calls on SPY a week out for $3 million, that does not mean that SPY is going to go to 633 by that expiration for that day. Especially if that's a one single order on that flow. So think about this for a second. How many other people out there, right, are going to be between now and then, right? Especially for SPY and Qs, NVIDIA, Tesla, right? $3 million is not that much on the flow for those kinds of names, for names like SPY, Qs, Tesla, NVIDIA, right? So just because you see this one single order of $3 million on calls, does that mean SPY is going to go to that 633 within the next week based on that flow? Absolutely not. I mean, SPY can literally get an intraday move from here straight up to 626. They could close that freaking position. That could also be a multi-leg order as well. There could be something else on the back end of that. Maybe that's not their only position that they have. Maybe it's an overall hedge position based on something else that they're holding. Like, you just got to do a little bit more digging on it. But just because you see the flow come in, right, when someone buys $3 million worth of calls on SPY on a single order, is it something to note? 100%. It is absolutely something that you can note and take into consideration, but it's not like, yeah, I see that, I instantly got to go ahead and like follow and jump into that. Like, no, that doesn't mean, because there's flow coming in on puts as well. If you go look at the flow on SPY and Qs, SPX right now, there's just enough flow coming in on all those as well on the put side, just like there is on the call side. You're going to see a couple 100,000s, you're going to see a couple million orders coming in on both sides. But that's the way the market works. Who's to say that this dude right here that's putting $3 million into these SPY calls, he's not going to lose on his trade? Just like I lose on a trade, just like you can lose on a trade, right? They're making a trade based off whatever they see, potentially, whatever strategy, I mean, whatever it is that they're using. That's a little upper wick right here on SPY. 21 rejection. Oh, it looked like they were about to break out of it. Not just yet, buddy. Bumble new high a day. Did it fill the freaking order? Did it pop those premiums to fill the order? No. Oh! Look at that evening star on Tesla. Did my order get filled on Tesla? I just saw a notification come through. Yep, I got stopped on the Tesla. Well, 132%, and that's it. Sorry, last Friday we caught 600. It's not because it's invalid. Dude, I took these calls down here. It's because it's taking too long. The consolidation that's happening right here, yeah, that's going to cause some premium burn. That's the theta coming in and burning your contracts. There's 0 DTEs. Like, you have to catch that move quick. You got to ride that momentum up there. So the trade, does it go upside on Tesla? It's still valid. Looks very, very good. I mean, it could be setting up a bull flag right here. Who knows? SPY 21 smack. Qs 21 smack. Bumble, you freaking just pop it up a little bit higher. At least give me this one trim before I got to jump off here. Come on now. Do better. Let me send this out too. Just heard Everly go, woo! What's going on out there? What's she wooing about? Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. I love VIX at 2020, girl. I love it at 20. Someone said, just a little advice, don't do the roll in the same order. It will close it in the red and then rebuy it again and sell it red again. It will trigger a wash sale and you might not be able to claim that loss. Interesting. Bumble just filled on 68. No way. You can't fill those bumbles at 68? What? What? You can't. You can't fill 68. You can't fill 60. The mid price is 68 because it's just doing the math and calculating between the bid and ask from 65 to 70. So the order right now says mid price 68. You cannot sell these contracts for 68 for this plus 22%. It won't fill it. You can't do this. That's why the reason I have an order at 70 right now. It's got to pop those premiums up a little bit more. Put it at 25%, sell the bid at 70. Reddit still trying. They're holding. It's getting tight. Watch a stupid candle come here. Watch it be a flash red candle straight down or a big green candle straight up. It's getting tight right here. It's getting tight. Someone said on IBKR you can. It shows me the last price. Yeah, it shows me. It says you filled at 62. What? Is Casey talking? Yeah, for 2 hours. All right. Let's see what happens here. That's crazy. They filled you? What? I meant this second. Yes. I'm on live still. Is my live still working and running? It says there's 3,722 people in here. Hopefully I'm not just been talking to myself. Okay, yeah, it is. You're just going crazy. You're just going crazy, brother. You're going crazy. He says, sorry, my dumbass had it muted. Love you, GNG. Yeah. Yeah, I have my order at 70 right now, Allie. Oh, break it to the downside. There's 2 minutes left on this candle. All right, let's see. Vol-D going lower, Vol-DQ going lower. VIX looking good, basing over 20. Come on. Just see a fat red candle shoot right down. That's all we want. That's all we want to see. And I want Bumble to pop up above previous day high to fill this freaking order, man. You got 7 minutes. All right. If it doesn't fill 7 minutes, I will take a trim for the 65. Oh, more profits in the profits channel. Let's see. A little update. 2 months ago, 2 months and tripled my small account. I'm still far from break even for my trading overall, but I'm getting there. Love y'all, and thanks, the GOAT Casey. Look at that P&L over the last 2 months. Oh, I'll screenshot that and post that later. We got a lot of freaking profits in the profit channel. That's freaking amazing, April, freaking amazing job. Freaking amazing job. Everyone, if you're in the premium Discord, go to the profits channel right now. Look at the most recent one on there. That's absolutely amazing. That is absolutely incredible. Love to see posts like that. Just consistently growing the freaking accounts. Let's go. Yeah, look, he just sent me a screenshot of his Bumble calls right there. Man, that's stupid. Why I feel you, but it won't feel me? Weevil sucks then. I could sell right now for 20%. See the share price today on Bull? No, I have not. What's it at? 13 bucks. Oh, it's near that trend line. So they bounced off 13. If they can pump it back up and reclaim like 1350, I mean, if they could reclaim 13.65, that'd be even better. I don't know. Oh, look at that weekly candle. I don't know. I don't know about that one. I mean, it's right at the spot. I mean, it's either a hold or to the gulag right here. They're either going to undercut it a little bit and then bounce that bad boy straight back up here, or they're going to break it. They're going to send that bad boy freaking under 12. All right, SPY. Just nice and easy. Just come out nice and easy. Straight to the downside. I don't know. I might have to take this freaking trim on Bumble. All right. We got 3 minutes. Just took a trim on Bumble for 20%. Let me freaking take a screenshot of my order. Weevil card. Nice job. Nice job on the Bumbles. And let me go to the bot. Let me send it. All right. Bumble came back to entry this morning. Back up plus 20% here. Took a trim. Stop at break even. Still want these $8 calls to get in the money. And attach the photo to the alert and sent. All right. Sent. I wanted a little bit of more of a pop to fill me at 70, but it did not. So I took a 20% trim on the Bumble $8 calls there for just a little bit of gains. Put a stop to break even. Not going to let that go all the way back down. Would still like it to hold. above the moving averages here, and then finally get the move from here to there. So if it's a slow grind and it gets up there, it should trigger the next order and hopefully break above $8 and put them in the money would be fantastic. But oh, Shark's still short 40 points NQ. Made the profit on Bumble only because of you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Love ya. Great day. I'm going to make this little recap real quick, and then I'm going to bounce. All right. Come on. Slam it down. All right. I've been using Chat GPT to make these photos recently. It's been absolutely amazing. All right. Can you make me a trade recap? Oh, hold on. Can you make a recap from today? All right. So Casey trades Friday recap. All right. We had use green, red, white cups with a stock market theme. SPY 600 Ps plus 65. SPY 580 Ps 919 plus 75. Bumble $8 call 815. As of right now, I mean, this could change. I'm just going to go ahead and make this and send this out because those other three are still open positions. I'm about to have 4,000 people on this thing just watching me jibber jabber today. I appreciate you guys. And then we got our Tesla. Tesla 305 calls. Those were 0 DTEs. We're just going to do an even number of 130. And send. And have Chat GPT make that. So, all right, I'm going to let that work for a second. Hope everyone had a great trading day. In the premium Discord, I know we had a freaking amazing trading day. But even if you didn't swing the SPY puts, first words out of my mouth this morning were these SPY puts, and then neighbor Chris even was able to jump in on it and make $500 a day. Amazing move downside for those SPY puts. I think someone else on the YouTube live area ended up sending me a message with some gains from the short earlier. Who was it? There's so many on here. I can't freaking scroll through. Nice bounce here on SPY. Still holding that level, though. And then Tesla. Again, Friday, we always like to hit Tesla 0 DTEs for fun, just risking a little bit of profits. I mean, and if it goes, it goes. It doesn't. Usually for Fridays for Tesla, for those that don't know, when I initially take the trade, it's sized for 0. Yes. Do I let it ever go to 0? No. So usually for my lottos, for stuff like that, I'm usually going to let it go about half. If I get minus 50% and I'm looking at the chart and I'm like, yeah, that's not working out, why am I just going to let it sit there and cook and lose the other 50% if I know the trade's getting invalidated, right? Like the reason for that Tesla was because of the Morningstar reversal, right? So I go to Tesla, here, 5-minute chart, right? So I took the calls after the 5-minute Morningstar right here closed. If this next green candle wasn't green to pop up back here to the EMAs at least, and it was a red candle that went all the way back down here to low of day, and Tesla starts to break low of day and go lower, and I'm minus 50%, you think I'm still going to sit in these freaking lottos here on these calls? No, I'm just going to go ahead and close it. So I don't just let it go for, a complete freaking loss. It is sized for that, but usually it's going to be minus 50%. But anyways, caught the nice move up to target, which was shown perfectly over here. I got to keep Bumble up over on this one. And it went to it perfectly, and it's still consolidating there, and it looks like a bull flag. Like it's perfect. Went straight to previous day low. You'll see it right there. It was absolutely perfect from freaking literally one to the other. So like from line to line, level to level. That was it. Oh, Bumble, you piece of shit. Well, actually, I took a trim, but I still want more. So Tesla, nice little extra gains there. I mean, I think that's 4 weeks in a row of trading Tesla 0 DTEs, catching over 100%. Last week was 600%. I didn't hold for that full freaking move of 600%. But nevertheless, we usually always catch a nice little 100% on it. All right, let me see if this is done. So, oh, that was not bad. Oh, it only included. Where's the other trade? It didn't include my fourth trade. You only put SPY, and then Bumble. Didn't do the Tesla one. So I finished the last small account. Look at Tesla peeking its head over. So I finished the last small account challenge from 2K to 4K. So I think on Monday, I'm going to start the next small account challenge. It makes sense just to double it again. Again, we went 1 to 2,000, 2,000 to 4,000. It makes sense just to continue that and just do 4 to 8. So I'm thinking we'll probably do that. I'm either going to do that or potentially reset it, maybe back down to the 1 or 2,000. Take the extra couple $1,000 profit and just move it into something else. I don't know. Or I'll leave it and just try to double that one again. Oh no, my laptop's about to die. My phone's got 100%. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to make a post at some point in time over the weekend for whatever I decide to do for the small account. Regardless, I am going to start it again on Monday. Look at Tessie. Freaking Tessie. SPY holding the level, Q sitting right at it. Freaking Tessie. Look at Bumble. What are you doing? Amazing week out. I just need Casey Trades to sing me happy birthday in Spanish to make it complete. I can try, but it won't sound pretty. Freaking Tesla, man. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a nice little picture. I like this one that they just created. Let me save it. I'm going to have them do another one. We'll do the Chat GPT Mini. We'll have it run that one. Dude, I swear to God, SPY. Or not SPY, Tesla. You really going to stop me out and then just rip it straight back up? How much am I up on my SPY put still? 53%. Yay. 55%. Yay. Tesla. Oh my goodness, they're back to 300. Literally stopped me out by $5. It's the thought that counts. Tesla. Oh my God. If Tesla goes to the 309 target, what SPY and Q is doing? Bouncing off that level still perfectly. Let me get rid of all this clutter that's right here. right, here's trendline test again for upside. It's getting a nice bounce off it, right off that freaking same level on SPY. Same level on Q still. Back to the 21. Tesla, you piece of shit. It's about to make a new high day. Oh, the contracts are back to 320. Freaking stop me out on the last few by $5 damn. I even said it too. I was like, it looks like it's setting up for the bull flag, but the consolidation's burning the premiums and it stopped it out. I mean, it was a perfect bull flag. I mean, that freaking consolidation right there was beautiful. Oh, about to give them new highs. You piece of shit, Tesla. Gosh dang it. So if you want to come hang out in the Discord, you can go to my website. If you're just go to my X profile. So I live in my Discord. I mean, I live with my freaking community members in my Discord like all day, every day. The only main social media that I'm using that I'm on is mainly X. So if you haven't gone over to my X, there's people on YouTube, or if you're new here on the X for the stream, I mean, I appreciate you tuning in today. We have almost 4,000 people in here, but make sure you do follow my X account. And then in my bio that's on X, you'll see my link in there. It has my links to everything. I'll say my Discord, it'll take you straight there. And then my store, that's there as well. So in my store for Premium Discord, you can come hang out for an entire week with myself and the Premium Discord team, all my other amazing analysts, and see if it's the good community, trading community for you that you want to be a part of. I talk about this all the time. One of the best things you can do, look at SPY. Look at SPY and Qs. We're popping. One of the best things, one of the best decisions you can make right now is getting involved in a trading community. Get a group around you, a bunch of other traders. And it's just going to make the entire difference in your trading career. Don't do it alone. It's not fun trading alone and not having other traders to associate with or be around. This is an amazing freaking bounce on SPY and Qs. I was like, either big stupid green candle or a big red candle, and they did a green candle, broke the trend line for the upside, straight to VWAP. And if it's my community, it's my community. If it's not my community, then it's not my community. It doesn't matter. You just have to go find one that works for you. So that's just why I encourage everyone here on the stream, if you're not in or an involved trading community, I highly, highly suggest that you go get involved in one. It will just make the entire difference in your trading career. 100% believe in that. So if it is my community, you want to try it out, again, you can go over to my WAP store, join my Discord for a whole week. Come hang out with me on the live stream and watch me just trade throughout the entire week. Our members in there are absolutely amazing. I love our team over there. But I am looking to call it a day here. Let me go ahead and send this out real quick. Oh yeah, you can use someone said a reset would be nice. I might do the reset on the small account. The small account, so the last 2 times I did it, it was only trading SPY, QQQ, and IWM, trading absolutely nothing else. I was not trading NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, Amazon. I'm not trading anything else other on that account, other than SPY, QQQ, and IWM. That is it, nothing else. So maybe I open it up to trading, a few other names as well. Maybe I'll keep it just on SPY and QQQ and IWM. We'll see. It makes sense just to try to double it again, but Friday trading recap. I mentioned it earlier because someone else was asking about the Discord you can use that same code. Everyone can use the same code. Just use code KC30 and just get 30% off of whatever you want inside the store. That code is still active. So you get a free week no matter what. If you want to come hang out in the premium Discord, see if it's good for you. And then if it is, you can attach the discount code to the order at the end. And then after 7 days, if you still want to be a part of the Discord community, I'll go ahead and follow through and then put that KC30 30% off on there. This is a really nice balance and spine QQQ. Tesla, you piece of shit. He said, just don't trade with your neighbors. Absolutely trade with your neighbors. My neighbor, Chris, is crushing his small account, freaking being in the Discord. He is in the Discord on the live stream, listening every day while at work. And dude's just freaking banking. Spy puts absolutely paid. Took some mobile calls for some small gains. And of course, we hit our Tesla plus 100% trade on the 305 calls. All right, let me send this out. Bang, bang. Dude, the new iPhone looks so weird. Oh my God. You gotta be freaking kidding me, Tesla. Watch it. Oh, you piece of shit. Piece of shit. What are those contracts at? Let me hold on. Oh, they're about to hit 450 from 150. No way. Holy shit. Gosh, dang it, man. There's 309. Oh, $300 freaking per contract gain if anyone's still on those Teslas. They stopped me out by $5 freaking dollars on the rest of it and then hit it. I can't be mad. I mean, it was a fun intraday trade for 100%, but damn. 200%? Ah. Straight to target. Gosh. Look at that rejection. Yeah, that was it. That was the freaking move. Gosh dang it. All right, go to my X account right now. I'm about to jump off, guys. I appreciate you guys. There's 4,000 people in here. I hope everyone had a great Friday. But go over to my X account right now. Make sure you follow my X account. Again, I have a link and everything on my profile. It's very simple. Just click on it and it will pull up absolutely everything for the Discord. Then the WAP store if you want to join the premium Discord team. And then send me a message on Discord or on X, preferably on X first. In Discord, there's a bunch of freaking scammers. There's a bunch of fake Casey trades out there. So you just got to be careful. I'm the only Casey trade on X, verified 42,000 followers on there. So very easy to find that. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. As of right now, all I ask everyone, please go over to my X profile right now. You will see, thank you, ChatGPT, for this little photo that it created for the recap here. Spy, back up to the same level, cues, back up to the same spot. Sorry, I have ADHD. I can't focus on. I mean, I can focus on multiple things at once, but I get distracted so easily. And beautiful on Tesla. All right, Bumble. I'm giving you an extra 19 minutes now. I need you to just go ahead and go put your rocket in that B right there. Just rocket straight into the B right there. Just get right into the B. Right up there in the B. There you go. That looked wrong. Anyways, go over to my X profile right now. You'll see that beautiful little photo that ChatGPT created there. For these SPY puts, those 919 puts, again, plus 65 on the 600s, plus 75% on the 580s. The Bumble calls are currently still up 20%. And then the Tesla 305 calls that I took for 130%, which are now up over 200%, hitting that 309 target. All I ask is a simple like on that post. If you want to repost it, absolutely fantastic. If you made any money today, whether it's on any of these trades that I just talked about or your own, whatever it is, like the post and then go comment on the post. Put them in there. I want to see the freaking gains. I don't care if you make $50. I don't care if you make 500, 5,000. It doesn't freaking matter. We all have different account sizes. We all trade differently. We all manage our risk differently. It doesn't matter. Just be consistent, growing your account, stick to your rules. So would love to see people's gains. So go over to the X account and just hit the like on that post. It's free. And then comment, post your gains. Would love to absolutely see them. Great day, team. Blue heart emoji. People in the premium Discord, I just sent it there on the announcements channel. You guys rock. Go do the same thing as well. Just go show some love on that post. Go give it a like, comment. Let me see the gains. And if you send me any messages on X or in Discord, I will be checking them here later on today. So, oh my goodness, Ray. He was up $2,000 on the day. Now he's up 3,300. My man doesn't stop. He doesn't stop. He said, "God's good all the time. I just want to say thank you to the most important men in my life, God, Jesus, and Casey Trades." Oh, freaking love you, Ray. Oh, dude, that's amazing. Dude. Incredible. You deserve those gains, brother. That's amazing. Love you, Ray. Daily P&L. 3,000. Here, hold on. Look, yeah, you guys think I'm here. Can I change the window real quick before I jump off? How do I change it? Change the window. Replace screen sharing. Window. Discord. Share. All right, should change it. Look right here. Look at Ray. Look at Ray. Look at that. $3,289.44 on his account today. Dude, freaking insane. Absolutely insane. Great freaking. Look at A-Rod. So if you join the premium Discord, just don't listen to A-Rod. Do not listen to A-Rod. A-Rod, he's an OG member, but he has a dirty mind. He said news are coming. Chill. Let's go. Great job. This is the premium Discord, by the way. Here's the other one. Here's April right here. The account. Look at that P&L. Look at that beautiful P&L. Oh my God. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here's Wayne. He definitely got me beat. On Fridays, I sized a little bit smaller on 0 DTEs. Wayne he got me beat too. So I bought mine at 150. He took those Tesla 305s at 138. So he had me beat on the entry. And he had me beat definitely on the percentage, or not on the percentage, on the dollar amount gain. The percentage, I think he closed right there for about 50%. But homeboy made $2,000, $2,000 on those Teslas. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Great job. Allie. Nice job, Allie. Look at that. Account 59%. Great work. Here was Ray earlier up 2, and now my man's up 3,000. Let's go. Let's go. Neighbor Chris on the spy puts. Let's go. Nico for 100% on the account. Amazing freaking job, man. This is what I love to see right here, though. This is what I love to see. That's what it's about right there. That is a beautiful P&L on your account right there, April. That is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right. I'm jumping off here, guys. Appreciate it. Spy held that bottom level ripping. We're right back to the same spot that we were before, as is QQQ. I got nothing here. Amazing Friday. Really amazing Friday. Got a lot more on Spy than I anticipated. Tesla, paper handed it 130%, and then stopped out $5 short. And then it goes 200%. Regardless, I'm not mad. It was just profit, using profit from Monday through Thursday to take those trades on Tesla, just like I do every single Friday here on the Friday live stream, using profits to make more profit. So absolutely amazing job today. Love you all. We have about 4,100 people here. In this live, I think this is probably the biggest one. So everyone say cheese. Appreciate it. And take a little screenshot and post that later on. So, all right, guys, that's it for me for the day. Hope everyone had a great Friday. I hope everyone has a great and a safe weekend. I will be live on Spaces later today at 4 p.m. with Wolf Financial and Mr. Beast. So they're doing a collab later on today with Mr. Beast live on X Spaces. So I'm very excited to go over there and hang out with the guys and be a part of this collab that they got going on. So I believe it is going to be something incredible that we're going to be discussing with this this collab with Mr. Beast and Wolf Financial. So tune in. It's going to be a great discussion. I think they're going to release something absolutely amazing. So make sure you do tune into that. We're probably going to be sharing that link to that Spaces here later on this afternoon. So if you're following my account, make sure you're following me, follow Wolf Financial, follow Mr. Beast. Doesn't matter. Whenever we are live on X or we're in a Spaces, it will tell you on where do people text me? That's my freaking police department text me right now. My old police department text me. They got the wrong number. They're looking for the wrong officer. I don't work there no more. So we're probably going to send out that link later on. But if you do follow us on X, it will tell you when we're live and we're in a space. You can just click on our profile, or it'll show you at the top of the app that we're in a space. You can go ahead and tune in from there. So stay tuned for that. Where are they sending the Discord? Oh my God. Okay. Ray said, got to get ready for work. Stay profitable, family. Enjoy the weekend. God is good. Casey Trades is the truth. I appreciate you, brother. Amen, Allie. Appreciate you guys. Love you all. So, all right. Spy, Q's looking good. Again, hope everyone has a great rest of the trading day. Have a great weekend. Be sending out some more posts later on today on the X account. Stay tuned for the small account challenge over the weekend. We're going to start that up in the premium Discord on Monday. So I will catch you guys